Alright guys, we're going to talk about ABC order, okay? Now, when you're doing ABC order, you are looking at the first letter of your word and trying to figure out where it belongs with the rest of the list of words you have according to the first letter and where that letter is located in the alphabet, okay? So the words that have a letter, their first letter that is closer to the letter A, will go first, and then we stagger the other words after that, okay? So our words for this week are know, use, let, said, and place, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and underline the first letter of each word so that I can see where I'm going to be looking on my little alphabet chart here, okay? Now, if you don't have an alphabet chart, you can make one with a piece of paper just like I did, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the word that has the letter closer to the letter A, okay? So I have P, S, L, U, and K. Well, I know that U is more towards the end of the alphabet, right? And if I'm not sure, I can look up here. Here's U, more towards the end. And S is more towards the end too. So I know that these two are not going to go first because those are closer towards the end. So now I want you to think about it. Out of these three words, which one do you think is going to go first? Know, let, or place? If you said no, you are right. Great job. Okay, so know will be our first word. Now, I want you to think about let and place. Which one of those is going to go second? Is L closer to A in the alphabet, or is P closer to A in the alphabet? I hope you said let. Let is second. Okay. Now, let's look at the rest. Okay. We have said, place, and use. Which one do you think will go next? Said, place, or use? If you said place, you are right. Place is next because P is closer to A than S is. S is after P. Now what about these two? Said and use. Which one do you think will go next? If you said yes, you are correct. Said is next, and then use. Okay, so you see how we look at the first letter of each word to see if that letter is closer to the beginning of the alphabet or letter A, or is it closer to the end of the alphabet or letter Z. That is how you arrange words in ABC order, by looking at the first letter of the word. Okay, if you guys did great, and if you knew those words, then great job. We have an activity to do today. Watch the next video.